Holiao, Penang harmi, mi perisa udang. Don't know what it means, but that's what it says. Saying something without knowing what it means can be dangerous to your social status as well as to your health. A t-shirt with some cool looking symbols can be extremely insulting, and your friend telling you to change another friend's name by just one letter can be very funny. I don't exactly remember how I got home that day, but some kids pack a mean punch. Asking me what words mean is also dangerous. My friend once asked me how to say I love you in my language. It took a few weeks before he found out I had taught him how to say please shut up instead. Insert evil grin. If you can pronounce it, most of what's written on food packaging is safe to say out loud, although the tonal nature of Chinese can get you into delightful trouble. Not that I can pronounce these Chinese characters, but Holiao seems to be Romanized Chinese, and I'll explain what that means in a little bit. Not everything here can be translated, because Penang is a state in Malaysia and har mee is a Malaysian prawn noodle dish. If you weren't sure enough what a prawn noodle dish tastes like, the package goes on to add mi perisa udang, which is Malaysian for prawn flavor, as well as prawn flavor, which is British for mi perisa udang. Now it's not just you, Malaysian does indeed resemble Indonesian. They're both closely related to the Malay language. Now let's have a look inside. We start with a slightly rectangular block of wheat noodles, some crunchy goodness. Then a single brown bag that seems to contain dried shallot, followed by a twin package that has seasoning oil on the left and shrimp powdered ketchup on the right. Or is this shrimp powdered ketchup on the right and am I holding the package upside down? There is another twin packet with salt, pepper, garlic and our good friend MSG on the left and chili powder on the right. Or is that the left? And now I'm even more confused as to how happy I am. Are these 3 package, which would make me say not bad, or are these 5 package, which would make me quote Lando Calrissian? Either way, I expect this to be good. While we mix ingredients, noodles and hot water, let me explain that Holiao is found in the Southeast Hokkien dialect, and depending on the tone it can either just mean stuff, or when talking about food it can mean good stuff. Holiao is not to be confused with holy cow, although, come to think of it, holy cow can also mean something along the lines of good stuff. So forget what I said, just choose either. After unlidding the soup, we are once again reminded never to compare the end product to the image on the packet. Let's just hope the 3/5 ingredients are still there and that they're just hiding in the noodles. Try saying this 3 times in a row. A strong shrimp smell doesn't automatically mean a strong shrimp taste. That's a good thing. You can taste the shrimp, you can taste the spice, the chili, you can taste the fried onions. The balance is okay and it's not too salty. The noodles themselves, as far as I'm concerned, could taste a little more interesting, but it doesn't really ruin the flavor. So I'm giving har mee instant noodles prawn flavor 3 out of 5 chopsticks. Now maybe you have a different opinion, leave those in the comments below. And maybe you like these noodles a lot or not at all, but you still like this video, then go ahead and click like and subscribe so that we'll see each other regularly when we unbox some more noodles.